Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to use Expedia AI property review summary. So let me tell you guys, Expedia's AI property review summary, often part of the Ask the Agent or AI property Q&A feature, allows you to instantly parse through thousands of guest reviews to find specific details about a hotel or vacation rental, such as cleanliness, noise levels, or amenities. So let me tell you how to use this feature. So to do that, open your Expedia app and then start searching for your hotels. Once you do that, look for the AI filters. Just tap on it. Now, once you tap on it, ask a question, often powered by OpenAI's GPT technology. Now, type your question about the property, such as, is the pool heated, or is there parking, or is it a quiet area, to get tailored summaries based on verified guest reviews. Now, the AI aggregates feedback, often highlighting key pros and cons based on traveler sentiment, helping you decide if the property fits your vibe, budget, or needs. Now, these AI tools are designed for quick conversational interactions within the Expedia mobile app for seamless trip planning. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.